Today's daily dose of math is a problem that's about emptying a pool. I have a hose for emptying my pool, and the hose's flow rate is 300 gallons per hour. When my pool is full, it holds 8,000 gallons. But to get it ready for winter, I have to lower the volume, and I know I need to get it down to 5,000 gallons. This helps me build an equation where y equals negative 300x plus 8,000. The 8,000 is the initial value, which is the volume of the full pool. And the negative 300 is that flow rate, which has to be negative because the volume is decreasing. Where x is the number of hours and y is the volume in gallons. First question is, how long will it take? This is a straightforward question. I want to end up with 5,000, so I replace my y with a 5,000. Then I do some algebra to isolate my x. I choose to move my 300x to the other side of the equals where it becomes positive, and move the 5,000 to the other side of the equals where it becomes negative. I end up with 300x equals 3,000. Divide both sides by 300 to isolate my variable, and x is equal to 10 hours. So that is straightforward. But question B, I've decided this is too slow. I want it to take 4 hours less. What flow rate do I need? This is a tricky question because they're asking for a new flow rate, which means they're asking for a new slope. So the new slope is our unknown. I'm going to rewrite the equation using 5,000 as the desired volume. I'm going to replace the negative 300 flow rate with a variable that's commonly used to denote an unknown slope. And I need to replace my x with the amount of time I want it to take. So 4 hours less than the 10 hours is 6 hours. I have a 6. Now I'm going to do some algebra and I'm going to isolate my a, which means I'm going to be finding my new slope. 5,000 minus 8,000 equals 6a. I've moved the 8,000 to the other side. It becomes negative. I have negative 3,000 equals 6a. Divide both sides by 6 to isolate my a, and it's equal to negative 500, which means I need my flow rate to be negative 500 or 500 gallons per hour. So it's a strange situation for a student who has gotten used to creating a linear equation and using it to answer questions. Wait, what if we want to change the equation by changing the slope? Well, we take our answer from the first question and we plug that into the situation to figure out what our x value is, and the a becomes the unknown. In y equals ax plus b, the a is usually a number that we know. In this case, we're trying to figure out what a will give us the equation that we need. This is today's daily dose of math. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button.